Good morning, children. How are you all, children?
Fine, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay,
Nice.
very good, very good. Now
Nice,
switch off.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Now switch off your microphones and ready for today's class. Children, as you all know that we have started our chapter number 4, tick, 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 which is related with time. We have already learned how to read the time. We have already learned how to put the AM and PM. Now today's our topic is how to draw hands on clock with a given time. Before moving ahead to our today's topic, I will just do a recap what we have done in our previous sessions. So I'm going to present a screen.
Ma'am, do we need to write anything?
Not now. Can you all see this? Prachi
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you. See, it's a morning time. Noon and then evening and night also. Now this is clock face. There are hands. Are the hands like this? No, these type of no, clock is not having these type of hands. It's having minute hand. It is the longest hand. And the hour hand. It is the shortest hand, shorter hand. The numbers on the clock represent the hours. The numbers on the clock represent and the hands are spinning in one direction. When the hands of the clock spin in one direction is called clockwise. It's called clockwise. Clockwise.
Ma'am, minute hand this move one time and 1 hour.
Yes. You can see how this clock. Now, what's the time? Let's see. When the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 1. So we can say it's exactly o'clock. But what o'clock? It's 1 o'clock. Now, yes, when the long hand is on 6, we say half past. It is half past 7. Can you tell the time now? Yes, tell me. Yes,
3
this is
o'clock.
3 o'clock. Yes.
3 o'clock.
3
Yes,
o'clock.
yes. Now see, they will give you one more clock. So this is 3 o'clock.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No. Now it is
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10
Very
o'clock.
good. Very
10
good.
o'clock.
Now,
10 o'clock.
now switch off your microphones. Okay, very good. It is 10 o'clock. Now let's see what's the next they will give to us.
Four 30.
It is
6. 4.
yes. Yes. Don't yes. It is?
4:30.
But here is the option of 4:30. Can you see the option of
Half
4:30
past
here?
4. Half past 4.
Yes, this
Half
is
past
half
4.
past
Half past
4.
4.
Very good, very good.
Half past 4.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm going to show you something else also.
How to tell time? Tell me the time. Mom, tell me the time for kids.
Can you all see the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
See, this time is what? What it is showing? This clock is showing what time? Now it is
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Next. Okay, next. Wait for the next now.
7 o'clock, man.
Yes, my dear. Wait for the next. What time it is? 8 o'clock. Very good. Very good, children. Very good. After giving answer, please switch off your microphones.
8 o'clock. 9
Yes,
o'clock.
Lakshya. Very good. And this is
9 o'clock. Change.
8:30. What is all of you will call me answer. Sorry, children. Sorry. Children, sorry. If you give me answer together, I will not listen.
8:30.
Half past 8.
Yes, very good, Lakshya. It is 8:30 also, and this is 8:30 also. 1 and 2 child only can switch on the microphone and give me the answer. Not everyone together. Are you clear? Are you all clear, children? Show thumbs up. Show thumbs up. No, yes. And switch off your microphone fast. So this is 8:30 and we call it as
Dhruv, switch off your
half past
microphone.
8 also. This is yes, half past 12:30 also. Okay, I got the answer. Switch off your microphone.
Half past 12. Half past
Yes.
12.
Yes.
Half past 12.
Okay.
Ma'am, 2:30.
Write your answer in the chat box.
2:30.
Now, all of you listen to me first.
आयमन को इतना भी नहीं पता
Put the answer in the chat box.
यार
And I will tell the child name. That child only will answer me. Not all together. Yes, Dhruv, tell me what time it is.
Ma'am, it's two. Ma'am, it's 250.
250. Dhyan Dalal.
350.
What is the other? Dhyan Dalal, what time it is?
350.
Check, my dear. Check it again. Yes, Lamha. What time it is?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, it is 250.
Yes, Dhyan. It is 250. Lamha, what is the other way of writing this time?
We could write.
What is the other way
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
say
10
this?
minutes to 3.
Very good. Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent.
Ma'am, we could write quarter to 3 also, right?
No, quarter to 3 when it is
3
exactly on 9.
Ma'am, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
No one will answer. I will say the child name.
4:30.
I will say the child name. Please switch off your microphones. Yes, Aryaman Sangai. Are you there in the class?
3:30.
Very good. And what the other way of writing this time?
3:30.
Very good.
Ma'am, I know one more way.
Yes, tell me.
3:30.
No. 2 starts from after 30 minutes. Okay?
Ma'am, I know one more way.
Yeah, tell me.
30 minutes past to 3.
Yes. Now, we will revise about. Can you all see me, my face?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will do the recap of AM and PM.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell the child name. That child only will answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have
Anya,
to write?
Mittal.
Ma'am, do we
No
have
need to write, my dear. We are doing the revision. Recap.
Yes, ma'am.
Anya Mittal. Now tell me what we will use AM or PM with the time. Raja goes to bed at 9. So it is 9 PM or 9 AM?
PM.
Very good. Next, Arna Agarwal. I have my lunch at 2:30 AM or PM?
PM.
PM. Next, Ashvi Vashne. My brother goes to school at 7 AM or PM?
AM.
Very good. Next, Ayansh Jain. My father goes to sleep at 11.
PM.
Very good. Next, Devyosha, are you there in the class? Devyosha, write the time using AM or PM. 5:30 in the morning. Devyosha,
AM.
I'm asking Devyosha. Devyosha, it's 5:30. No answer in the chat box, Nishika. Next child. Ayush Singhania. 11:30 in the evening.
Ma'am, 11:30 in the evening could
Yes.
be AM.
11:30 in the evening.
AM.
How? Evening
Ma'am,
starts.
PM.
Yes, it's PM. 4:15 in the afternoon.
After 2 noon, it is, ma'am, after 2 noon, it is PM, no?
After 2
PM.
or after 12 o'clock noon, it's PM.
Yes.
It's post-meridium. Yeah.
Yes, Dharya Shah. 4:15 in the afternoon.
PM.
Very good.
PM.
Next, Dhruv Patel. 1:35 in the afternoon.
Ma'am, PM.
Very good. Next, Dhyan Shillai. Now listen Dhyan carefully. Dhyan Shillai I am talking about. Is he there? Dhyan? Please say yes or no. Switch on your microphone. Dhyan Shillai. Dhyan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhyan, now listen my question carefully. 3 hours after 6:40 p.m. What will be the time? 3 hours after 6:40 p.m. Dhyan, tell me what is the time after 3 hours after 6:40 p.m.
Ma'am, can I say?
Dhyan, if you get the answer, please write in the chat box. I am moving to the next child. Yes, Ekansh.
Can I say?
Ekansh.
9:40 p.m. 9:40 p.m.
I am asking only one child. That one child only will answer me.
9:40.
9:40 p.m. Very good. I am moving to the next child. Priya, are you there? 5 hours after 8 a.m.
5 hours after 8
a.m. Yes.
Bye. 1 o'clock
So we
PM.
will use a.m. or p.m. with 1 o'clock.
p.m.
Very good. Next, Jahan Jariwala. No more answers in the chat box now. 2 hours after 1:20 p.m.
PM.
What will be the time after 2 hours? After 1:30? 1:20. Yes. Thank you.
20.
Thank you. Thank you, children. So we have revised our AM and PM also. Children, wait. Those whose turn has not there come. So I will be asking few more questions with the other children also. Wait for your turn. Now we are moving to our today's topic, that to draw the hands on the clock. How to draw the hands.
Ma'am, do we have to write anything?
I will tell you, Nishika. I will tell you when to write. Can you all see this?
No, ma'am, I cannot
Prachi
see.
ma'am, my screen is visible?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
just little bit time.
Yes.
Oh, ma'am.
It's visible now.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So I am there on my other screen
Dhruv, switch
also.
off your mic.
Ma'am,
Ayush, switch off your mic.
ma'am, please do the screen big. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Now it's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, actually, when you said that what is 5 hours after 8 p.m., so I was my mother and I was discussing that the answers. So I said it would be 12 noon. So mother said no, it would be 12 a.m. or p.m. So I said, Mummy, my ma'am has said that you cannot judge 12 in a.m. or p.m.
Yes. So for 12, we will use noon. But the answer was not 12. 5 hours after 8 will be 1. And 1 will come means 13 you will calculate, and that will be 1. And 1 will come in the PM, right? But your question was related to the AM and PM. We will not use for 12 AM and PM. We will use 12 noon. Clear?
Yes. But
Okay.
in real life, there is something AM, PM in 12 or not?
Ayush, I'm not getting you.
Ma'am, in real life, people use the things like.
Maybe their concept is not clear, maybe. They have to use noon or midnight for the 12 night, and for
Ma'am, I have a
12.
question.
Yes, tell me, my dear.
Ma'am,
before 12 noon, that is AM.
Before
After 12,
till 11:59, it's AM. Till 11:59 in the morning, it's AM.
and
As soon as the 12,
11:01 is PM.
11,
11,
12,
1 is PM.
Yes.
So what's 12?
12 is 12 noon.
12 is noon.
Yes.
Exact 12 is noon.
Exact 12 is noon. Clear? Okay. Now we are learning how to draw the hands on the clock with the given time. In this video, you can see that in first clock, it is showing 4:15. And then they are showing the time on the clock. Can you all see this? So of the clock to
Yes.
show the given time. 4:15, 7:10, 8:50, 3:25. Now, how to draw the hands? It is 7:10. So where will be the shorthand, children? Next child will answer me. Prachi ma'am. Prachi ma'am.
Ma'am.
Am I visible and audible?
Yes, ma'am. You are visible and audible.
Ma'am, tell the next child from the list to answer me. Karnav, are you
Lakshmi.
there in the class? Karnav? Nishika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, where will be the shorthand?
Ma'am, in 4:15, no?
No, in 7:10.
In the small hand will be
Seven.
on 7 and
Yes.
big hand will be on 2.
Yes. Why 2, Nishika?
Ma'am, because in 5 table, 5 2s are 10.
Yes, very good. Now next.
Nishika said was one, I have another.
Yes, tell me.
In a clock, there are small lines between 5,
Yes.
1, 2. So that counts 1 minute.
Yes.
So like that, if I go till 2, so there will be total 10 lines.
Yes. That's for 10 minutes.
Yeah, but Nishika
Thank
told
you.
me another method.
She told the table of 5 because in the clock, after every 1 minute, from one number to the next number, there is a gap of 5 minutes, right? In mathematics, you can use many methods, my dear, to explain your thing, right? This Nishika's method also correct. So the gap between these number is of 5. So we can say that from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes and from 1 to 2 is 10 minutes. So total time is 10 minutes. So the short hand will be on 7 and the long hand will be on 10. Go to the next number, that is 8:50. How we will show this time in the clock? Lamha, switch on your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, Lamha, where will be the shorthand in 8:50 when you want to mark it on the clock?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the shorthand will be between 8 and 9 and nearer to 9. And
Yes.
the long hand will be on 10.
Yes. Why 10?
Because it is 8:50.
Okay. So can you more expand it and tell me why it is 50? Why 10?
Why 10? Because it is in the 5
Siddharth
table.
says this to me.
Yes. We will count the table of
Siddharth,
5.
sit properly.
From 1 to 2 is 5 minutes. 2 to 3 is 5 minutes. 3 to 4 is 5 minutes. So this way we calculate 5 minutes gap and come to the 10. See, 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. 1 to 2 is 10 minutes. 1 to 2 is 10 minutes. 2 to 3 is 15 minutes. 3 to 4 is 20 minutes. 4 to 5 is 25 minutes. 5 to 6, 30, 35, 40, 55 and 50.
Timetable.
So it will be 8:50. Now go to the next. Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot hear the video.
You can see the video, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that I am explaining you. Now 3:25. How to show the time 3:25? So
Ma'am,
yes.
you will send this video in classroom.
No, my dear. You have to understand here in the class. So that's why I'm asking the questions also with you all. Now Vihan Patel, tell me in this time 3:25, where will be the long hand?
Long hand will be on 5.
Okay, very good. Now Laksha Thakral, where will be the short hand?
मैम शीट नहीं आ रही है.
Laksha Thakral,
Yes, ma'am.
where will be the short hand in this time 3:25?
3, ma'am. 3.
Very good. So it will slightly move from the 3. It will be between 3 and 4. Now go to the next 4:15. 4:15, the short hand will be on Anya Mittal. Tell me, where will be the short hand?
What, ma'am?
Where will be the short hand if we want to mark the time 4:15?
4:15.
Yes. Short hand will be on
4.
4. Thank you. Arna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arna Agarwal. Tell me, where will be the long hand?
Ma'am, the long hand will be on 3 because
Very good.
5 3s are 15.
Yes. Very good. So this way, hand will be on 3. So this way we have learned how to draw the hands on the clock. Now I will show you. Can you all see my screen? Prachi
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
the another screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it's visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we will learn the hour hand is short hand and minute hand is the long hand. Now let's see how to draw the hands on the clock. What time it is showing? The digital clock.
Make that switch off your microphone.
This clock is the digital clock. Yes, digital clock. What time this digital clock is showing? Dhyan Shillai, can you answer me?
8
8 o'clock. Switch off your microphone now.
Lab, switch off your microphone.
Now let's
Trisha,
see.
switch off your microphone. Make that switch off your microphone.
Now let's see how to draw this time which is given in the digital clock, how to draw in this 12-hour clock. See, the short hand is on 8 and the long hand from the center to the 12. Go to the next. This digital clock is showing 2 o'clock. Now let's see how to draw this. Mikdad, switch on your microphone and tell me where will be the shorthand. Mikdad, switch on your microphone and tell me the answer. Karnav, Prachi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give them the to tell me the answers?
Hello.
Ma'am, I think Migdad has been left
Okay, tell the
having
other
some
child.
issues.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dhruv.
Yash is telling ma'am.
Yes, Desai. Tell me the answer. Where will be the shorthand?
On 2.
And where will be the long hand?
On 12.
Yes. Thank you. Switch off your microphone now. See, the short hand will be on 2 and the long hand will be on 12.
Ma'am, Migdad has joined now.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Prachi ma'am, my voice is audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. The children's having problem with voice. Log in back.
Mikdad, tell me where will be the long hand in this time?
No, ma'am.
Mikdad, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me where will be the long hand? What time this digital clock is showing?
Long hand will be on 6.
Long hand will be on 6. And where will be the short hand?
4.
Very good.
Between 4 and
Parnika,
5.
stop writing
Between 4
answers
and 5.
until you are asked.
Yes. So now let's see. It between 4 and 5. And the long hand will be on. See, it's counting 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and 30 minutes. Now it will exactly come on 6. So 4:30. Now it's 11 o'clock.
We can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can tell answer, please.
Yes, Lakshya, tell me. Where will be the shorthand?
Behind,
Shorten
log out and then log in.
shortened on 12, shortened on 11, and longened on 12.
Very good. Now switch off your microphone. Thank you, Lakshya.
Welcome, ma'am.
Now, shorthand will be on 11 and longhand will be on 12.
Parnika Jain, no more answers in chat box.
So now it's 3:30. Dhyan Dalal, tell me where will be the long hand? Dhyan Dalal, Aryaman Sanghai.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, the long hand will be on 3.
One child at a time. Yes,
The
Dhyan.
short hand will be on 3 and the long hand will be on 6.
Okay, but the short hand will be on exactly 3 or in between 3 and 4?
A bit closer to 4.
Yes, closer to 4. Thank you. It's closer to 4 and then the minutes hand will be exactly on 6.
Ma'am,
10.
ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I
Yes, tell me, Dhyan. Next.
Ma'am, the shorthand will be between 10 and 11 and it will be more on 11 and the longer hand will be on 6.
Yes. The 10 and this shorthand will be in between 10 and 11. Okay, it will be between, exactly between, not more closer to 11, not more closer to 10, because it's exactly 10:30. When it will move towards 35 and 40 minutes, then it will go more closer to 11. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
See, now it is exactly between the 10 and 11, and the hour, the minute hand will be on 6. So now we so now please switch off your microphone. Okay. So now we have learned how to draw the hands in the clock. Prachi ma'am, my screen is visible, my board is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Now children, this is your home task. Draw 4 clocks and the time is given here, and they can't stop presenting.
Ekansh Jain, stop presenting.
First clock, in first clock you have to show 3:35. So please write the time, because after the class, this is your home task. You have to draw the clock, 4 clocks in your notebook on one page. Write today's date, write topic. Children, please switch off your microphone and listen to me. I will be sending a worksheet based on today's topics, but in Jahan Jariwala, stop presenting your screen. Thank you, my dear. So, this is your notebook work. You have to write today's date, write topic, and draw the 4 clocks on one page. You have to show this time in the clock by drawing the hands. Clear, children? So please write this time. First is 3:35. You have to show 3:35 in clock. Next is 9:05. Third is 6:15. And the fourth is 7:20. Are you all clear?
The other way also.
You know, you just have, because here you are just drawing the hands in the clock. So no.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Can't hear you.
Wait a minute, she
Need
is
to
having
write the
some
other
network
way.
issue.
On time. Yes, ma'am. I'm audible now?
Renu, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You should repeat the last line, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So my today's home task is to join the hands, because we have learned how to draw the hands. So you have to draw the hands in the clock by the with the given time. The time is already given to you, 3:35 with the digital. You have to draw the hands in the clock. So
Ma'am, in the worksheet.
no, in the notebook. This is your notebook work. Worksheet I will send you based on the same.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, my
We
dear.
have to write these times only.
Yes.
We have to write ma'am.
At a time, one child will only speak.
We
Yes, my
have
dear.
to make only these times, or
Yes, you
we can
know
make
these
another.
time. These time only. For these time, because you are getting more practice in the worksheet. The worksheet also I will send you.
Yes, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
You are going to send this video in the classroom.
No. Now no more videos. So please write time fast, because you have to draw. Yes.
Ma'am, I've
You
written
will-
the time, so can I leave?
No, wait.
Ma'am, you will send
Yes.
the record.
No, my dear.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Wait a minute, she is going to repeat.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
taken a screenshot of that.
no problem.
So
ma'am,
please
I also have
Yes, who's
screenshot
this?
take screenshot of that.
ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay. Renu ma'am?
write the time.
Renu ma'am, you are not audible from 5 minutes.
I've written the time, ma'am, in the chat box.
Good, Nishika.
Please write
Renu ma'am? Renu
Prachi
ma'am?
ma'am. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible now. You should repeat
Okay.
all the things that you have said before.
Okay, I will repeat. You just check and let me know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, as I was saying that you have to write these time in your notebook so that after the class, you will draw the clock and you will draw the hands with the given time. First digital time is 3:35. Second is 9:05. Third is 6:15. And the fourth is 7:20. Am I clear to you all now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, you are
ma'am.
clear.
So please write this time so that after the class you draw the clock first and
Bye,
then
ma'am.
draw the hands with the given time.
Wait
So
till ma'am say bye.
today we have revised our class. We have done the revision of reading the time. We have done the revision of AM and PM. And then after that we have learned how to draw the hands on the clock. So now we are ending our class. Hope you all are clear with the topic. Thank you.
Bye.